In this video, I'm going to show you how to get capes in Minecraft Java Edition. So, capes are extremely rare on Java Edition right now, with a few exceptions of course, like making maps for realms. And except for those exceptions, most capes are exclusive, rare gifts tied to specific events or milestones. So you either had to be in the right place at the right time in history, get lucky buying Minecon tickets, or buy a cape code on eBay when that was still possible back in the days. However, the legitimacy of those things were questionable. And there was only one option left, which was to participate in Mojang's volunteer programs, though joining just for the cape is not recommended and never was. So even more common migrator and vanilla capes were only available for a limited time to eligible players, which of course weren't all of them, making them rare despite their large numbers. On Bedrock Edition though, capes are more accessible, with everyone at least getting the Pancape, which is, you probably know what that is, you can Google it if you don't, it's quite common. But on Java, they remain quite elusive, so in short, you can't get a cape on Java without mods at the moment. Using some mods will give you access to kinda get a cape you want though. So hopefully Mojang will introduce some common or default capes for Java, similar to Bedrock, so we won't need mods to enjoy them, okay? So that's pretty much it. Right now there's no way to get capes, except if they release let's say an event, an exclusive event, where you'll be able to get them. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.